G'day everyone, we are down at Jayco, Canberra. My name's Louis. I'm here with Dane, he's one of the sales staff here, and we're about to walk through this brand new van. I hear this is brand new, it's the first time it's been made and it's looking really good.
So it's a 2024 all-terrain 1650-1.
16 foot, full height, not a pop top, and dual axle.
Done the dual axle because of the weights. It is heavier than your normal 16 foot.
Bit heavier and better carrying capacity,
Yeah,
payload.
exactly.
We'll start at the back corner and check out the front side here.
So here, have your little 12-volt cigarette. So you can put a portable fridge or phone, and then a little 240 outlet. Any household appliance will work in there as long as you're connected to power at your house or a caravan park. Little external entertainment system. Has a TV inside, can't put that outside.
Oh yeah, aerial ports and speaker ports.
Correct. Play through your speakers.
Picnic table.
30 kilo weight limit, just don't sit on it.
Don't sit on the table.
And heat proof as well, so you can put induction cookers or heat on here.
Big tyres.
So 16-inch rims, bigger than your standard that we do, which are 14 and 15.
What is the tyre size on that? 245, 70, 16. There you go. All terrains. Standard light.
Then your main door as well.
Yeah, and the latch is, oh yeah, the little wire latch.
Correct.
Hooks it onto
Leave
the wall.
that on there, and if you wanted to in the summer, flip that handle straight up.
Fly screen separates. Oh, cool. So that's the standard push in, pull out. Big hatch. What's in this one?
So in here, we have your external shower tent. Does have a little light on the side as well. Then just have your jack handle and winder handle for your corner steadies. Can add external kitchens, can add slide out tubs.
As an add-on. Yep, okay.
Because you do have your gas bayonet underneath here. You have two of them.
Double.
So if you have an external barbecue or barbecue, plug it into there, away you go.
Yep. And that would also service an outdoor kitchen if you wanted to put one in.
Yeah, and you might be able to see underneath, have some little safety flaps as well. Go on an off-road terrain, don't want everything hitting your tank, so.
Oh yeah, protecting plumbing and all of that.
And have your nice big toolbox on the front. So these come standard, no extra for this.
It's huge, isn't it? Little dust cover too on the. Oh yeah, so that's tray.
Yeah. This one you have your generator slide.
And then the other side just goes through, I guess. Oh yeah, divider too. That's good.
Stone shield, comes standard, just don't want to ruin your nice new van, so.
Protect your paint on the checker plate and rubber flaps, and then the back rubber flap as well. That's all really handy for stone protection.
Little fog light you can see up there. Can angle it, up, down, just on and off from inside. Very bright at night time. Dual jerry can holders and dual gas bottle. Wherever that green points, what gas bottle you want to take it out of. When it's empty, just swap it over to that side.
Dual jerrys is super handy as well. An extra 40 litres of water when if you're going off grid.
Then at the front, your reverse camera. Just plug that in. There is a kit that comes with it. Just send that to an auto electrician, they'll wire up your car. Your breakaway, this connects to the chassis of your car. If that pin gets pulled out, it slams on your brakes.
Yep.
Just a nice safety feature. And ESC.
Yep.
Your electronic stability control. If the van starts to sway while you're towing it, it'll even itself out.
You need power in your car.
Correct,
don't you?
through your 12-pin plug.
12-pin, wherever that is. There's a certain pin number. We might be able to pop that up on screen, whichever pin it is. Pin number something will activate that.
Dead red Anderson plug, that's for your DC to DC charger. That'll just charge your battery while you drive. Only have that Anderson plug, don't have one for your fridge, because your fridge is a compressor fridge, so that works off 12 volt.
Yep.
So that'll just charge your battery and your battery will run your fridge.
Yeah, awesome. And so there's a charger inside.
Correct. Does it all automatically.
All sorted, all set up.
Then DO35, so it comes standard on this, just very good for off-road. So you can swivel it up and down, side to side as well.
Moving around.
Then into here, have other side of your tunnel boot.
Oh yeah, smaller door this side.
Then that's for your gas heater. This has been optioned with one, so just your little vent for it. External shower, hot, cold, little trigger nozzle, away you go.
My favourite mod, but that's standard?
Yep, standard on one of these.
Yep, saw it on some of the other vans as well, they all have them now.
Then your hot water system. So it is gas N240, tank hot water system, so it heats up a 20 litre tank,
Okay.
then disperses it.
Oh, and it will work off electricity as well.
Correct. Down there, that's your battery. This has 240 amp lithium battery. Comes standard with that, and also with 3 200 watt solar panels on the roof. That's 600 watts of solar altogether. There is provision in the chassis. If you wanted to add even more, can add that on.
Mounting points.
And as well as the 3 solar panels on the roof, little Anderson plug there. If you have a portable one, you can plug even more in. Your power inlet. So it is a 15 amp lead. It's different to your standard 10 amp at your house.
Yep.
So you do need a 10 to 15 amp adapter.
Yep.
Most caravan parks will have a 15 amp socket,
Yep.
but I recommend taking your adapter wherever you go because some of the smaller ones might have a 10 amp.
The little hook.
Yep.
That's to take the weight off that.
Correct.
Right?
Inside there is a little yellow rope which
Yep.
goes on there, so that doesn't directly go on there. There's a little rope that goes on there, so it keeps it hanging up like that.
Yeah, just to take the weight of the lead.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that when I first got a van. I'm like, what the hell is that for? It's this box.
You have, it's into the back of your fridge.
Ah, right.
Since it's
cool.
a compressor fridge, no gas, so it doesn't need any vents.
That's cool. There's access. That's the first time
Yeah.
I've seen a van with access into the back of the fridge.
Then the fun part, which everyone loves. Just lift it up, pulls out. So when it's heavy, you have a little handle,
Got the trolley.
take it for a spin.
The walk of shame.
To empty it, just aim and click that button. Just lets the airflow through. Usually where you empty it, they have a hose as well. It's always handy, just to give it a rinse out as well.
So that opens the flap.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
When you put it back in, it needs to be all fully shut because it does it all automatically once you push it in. Underneath here, that's your washing machine outlet. So that doesn't go through your grey water tank, which this does have.
Yep.
Standard has a grey water tank on them. Then up there, that's your tank selector. Since you have 2 water tanks, point that towards the front tank if you only fill up the front tank.
Yep.
Or the back if you only do the back.
Yep.
Or down in the middle if you do both.
Tank 1, tank 2
Yep.
filler.
So mains, tank 1 and tank 2.
Yep.
So if you had a caravan park or at your house, you'll be on mains. If you're about to go off grid, you'll fill up your tanks beforehand. But yeah, you can see your tanks just to the back as well. You can empty them out.
Oh, yeah, there's an outlet there. Around to the back.
So this has been optioned with a bike rack. It is an e-bike rack, so it can handle the weight of them. Let's lift that up if you don't want to use it. Got your reverse camera up there. You can adjust it. You need a ladder, but there's a little Phillips head screw on each side and just your other fog light at the back. Spare tyre. It is a full spare tyre, not a dummy spare like most cars nowadays.
And is that just bolts on? Oh, through the centre there.
Through the centre.
Yeah.
Got the awning. Do that from inside. It's all electric.
So it's just a push button? Is it like a rocker switch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is an app you can download so you can have it on your phone as well. So if you're sitting down and it starts to get windy, you can just wind it in from your phone. There is adjustments to it. Squeeze thing there, give it a pull down. So that's the lowest it'll go. You can put it halfway if you wanted to, but all the way up is normally what you do. If it is raining, you normally drop one side lower than the other.
Strip light as well?
Yeah,
That's
LED strip lights. There is a little button inside. Find which one it is, that one there.
Yeah, nice.
Then it's simple to wind it back in. So you have a major off and on.
Oh, yeah.
And then retract and extend. We want to retract, just click that and
Press it
in it
once.
goes.
Oh, there we go. We're done outside. We've been all the way around. Now the exciting part, we'll go inside, hey?
As I start at the front,
Business end bed.
nice big bed. This does have an upgraded mattress, so it is a Cloud9 mattress, so it's a lot comfier than your standard one. You can lift it up,
Okay.
you'll see it's a lot thicker as well.
Oh, it's, yeah, very thick. Yeah, okay, so it's thicker, bit of a pillow on the top. There's all of the bedding part of
As
it.
you see it, comes with it. Little Sirocco fans, so you have 3 different speeds. 1, 2, 3. Then the other one's your timer. 3, 6, 9, and 12 hours. Is adjustable. I always just turn it off just so you don't hurt yourself, but yeah, you can really angle it however you want.
And lock it off.
Then
TV.
your TV is on a swivel bracket, so I can pull that out if I wanted to.
And then is a locking bracket for travel.
Correct.
That's what that
They
part
normally
is there.
recommend to take the TV off to travel. Take that off, leave it underneath your pillows.
Comes off from there, doesn't it?
So
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that. Just undo this little screw.
Oh, yeah. Slides off, yeah.
See that little control panel down there?
Oh, yep.
That's your gas heater. So when the flashing caravan comes up, click it again. Just set your temperature.
Yeah, right.
If you want it on 25, click it on that.
It'll fire up.
You can set timers if you wanted to on it.
A lot of storage around the bed too. Hanging space, shelf at the top, nook access into this area too. Cool, okay, there's power as well in there.
Yep, and even more up here.
Yeah, these are the big ones. Put one on the end.
Last one in there.
Yeah.
Then you do have your little reading lights underneath. So I can turn them off, click it once, it's a blue light, hold it, LED, then off. You might be able to see there's little USB panels in them.
Switches at the end of the bed, that's super handy.
So do have a major off button.
Off everything.
And if you turn them on from here, just turns the bedroom ones on.
Oh yeah.
Then it's got some more over here.
Wow, there's a lot of lights in here. There's two up there too.
Two up there?
What are they? Oh, there. What are these? Drawers or... Oh, narrow drawers. That one's a bit shorter. Fire extinguisher.
Yep.
Is there stuff under the bed?
Only thing you have under there is your gas heater. There is storage.
Yeah, you could actually put a box or something in there.
Kitchen. So you have mixer, and you do have your filtered water. Water filter in here. Just see it just at the back left.
Oh yeah. Does that get changed eventually?
Usually
like
about once a year.
battery
Then
management down
your
there?
battery management system.
That's nice and accessible, that's cool.
Then that red Anderson plug goes to that.
Oh right.
That's your DC to DC charger. That there, that's provision for a tyre pressure monitoring system. So it has a provision for it. There's a kit you can purchase. Just plug that on there, replace your valve caps on your tyres. You can check your tyre pressure from your phone.
That's the little cheese board cover. We got big drawers. Oh, and it's a latch at the bottom, hatch. That's deep.
Then got your stove. 4-burner gas stove.
Yep.
And then you have a 2-in-1 grill and oven.
Yeah, nice. These are the best. But we got one added to our van. They come standard in this, don't they?
Yeah.
So the oven and grill combo. Using the oven, you can cook all sorts of awesome stuff.
Then up there, have that awning that we went over. Off,
Yep.
on, extend and retract. That's your light receiver.
Ah,
So you'll see if I click a button on the wall, lights up on there.
right.
So all your light switches are wireless. So there's not wires running all through the van.
So they're paired up to that thing.
Yeah. Aircon switch. It's a little
Okay.
isolation switch. A little bit of storage up there.
Do we look in that? No, nice big one.
And then yeah, your microwave.
Only works on 240. Yeah.
240 only. Above your head, dust reduction system. Our all-terrains come standard with these. So basically when you drive, it just pressurizes the inside of your van. So if you're going on red dirt, you're not going to come inside. There's not going to be red dirt everywhere. And then that's your TV antenna. So it's up at the moment. And if I wanted to wind it down,
You can hear it. Bang. Yep.
down you go.
And then pull that down once it's up and
Correct.
twist it to get the right direction.
Yeah. Roof hatch. We can open that up.
Bit of fresh air and then block out,
Yeah.
right?
And at night time, and just make sure you close that before you drive.
Yeah, it locks up over that. Add more storage
Yeah,
above the
even more
couch.
storage.
Nice. Two big identical size pretty much.
And little pigeonholes in there. Magazines, phones, wallets, whatever you like.
Leatherette, that's a little
Yeah.
leather. That's nice.
Comes standard in this, no extra.
And does that move at all,
So it
that
can.
table? Goes up and down or something?
So
Or
if-
how's it?
underneath there is a little black handle. If I give that a pull.
Oh,
move
right.
it
Yeah,
wherever
you
you
can
like.
move it.
Then if you wanted to, put your foot on that black button. Just give it a push.
Yeah,
Lock
right.
into place. And you can move it a little bit closer. So if you want, you can get a bit of an infill there if you have any little ones coming along.
Yeah,
Sleep
yeah.
on there. Pull it out, and same thing, just click that button,
Up it comes.
angle it in, angle it sideways.
Fridge.
Nice big fridge. So you do have a little travel latch. Have that over when you're traveling, just so if you're going on bumpy roads, it won't open. Open
That's
it up.
clever.
So in there you have your fridge,
Yep.
and down here you have your slide out freezer.
Oh,
So the only thing you need to touch is your thermostat. So hold until it flashes, and then you can see you can move it.
what's that? Same for freezer.
Then you have your radio.
There we go. We got music. All right.
Do have option to have your auxiliary or Bluetooth. I'm not sure who uses it nowadays, but you do have a little CD player at the top.
I've still got some CDs. Come on.
So you have your bass, treble, balance, and fade.
Yep.
Fade's when I can do outside speakers
Ah.
or inside only.
You'd want that at night if you got your TV running through it or music at night. You don't want outside going.
And this one up here, your control panel. So you can see right now, the battery is 100% charged. Your battery voltage, amperage, right now, we're undercover, so no solar's going in.
Yep.
And right now we're using 10.2 amps of power. Can turn your pump, hot water system off from there,
Yep.
and your battery isolator switch. Then swipe over, you do have your tanks. So fresh water tank 1, number 2, and your grey water tank.
Is there more swipes, is there?
And then your tyre pressures. Can't put that on there as well. Then the fourth one is just your settings.
What do we got there? A wheel arch, but there's still a bit of storage. This side, shelf. That's a deep one. That's really deep.
Oh yeah, even more up there.
All right, now we're into the bath.
Into the bathroom. Little concertina door, so I can take that off. Close this over, just give it a pull. And
Button,
towel rail,
paper roll.
cubby hole in there, then your toilet. Lift that up.
Yep.
So blue button, that's your flush. Then down the very bottom, you might be able to see that little grey handle. If I move that to the back, that empties up your little trapdoor in there. And up there, that illuminates when your toilet's full.
Window with block out and fly screen.
All the windows work the exact same, just some of them have more latches. All you do is open them up. Then you can,
Washing machine.
that one's your washing machine. Power button. Then just set your water levels, modes, start and stop. And the water for that, actually have down the very bottom that little tap.
And is that coming from your tanks?
Correct, tanks or mains. Then got your nice drawers at the back.
I'm on the wrong side here. Oh wow, yeah, okay. That's the same as this cupboard next to it, kitchen area. For 16 foot, it's plenty.
Under your little shower latch.
Yep. Opens
up. So you do have your little fan on the roof as well. So you can just see that one in the middle.
Fan on.
Yeah, just go to the left.
That's the hatch going up. Let the air out. That removes. And that will just run into the grey water tank.
Yep.
Aircon.
240 volt only. Just set your temperature to what you want. Fan speeds. Away you go.
Cool.
Only adjustments you have are on the side.
Yeah, put them up. Airflow. I think that's it. We've been through it. We've been around the outside, inside. This is the all-terrain, brand new 16-footer with dual axle. It's in stock now as of the time of this video. There's a whole heap of other vans here. There's used vans and there's a service department and there's a parts department. So come down to Jayco Canberra if you want to check this or any other van out. And make sure you say you've saw this video. Let the gang know that you've seen the video. Thanks, Dane. That was good. And thanks for watching.